This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Chinese Michelin Star restaurants in Hong Kong, they make their fried rice with high-end protein like lobster, prawns, scallops, and crab. But there's one secret ingredient they won't tell you about. I'm going to tell you what it is today. So let's get started. We have some pork belly. So I'm just going to use a couple pieces of pork belly. I'm going to slice it up. Got some boiling water going. We're going to put the pork belly into the boiling water. So the pork belly has been simmering for about 15 minutes to get rid of the impurities and the dirt. So we're just going to put it into a strainer and just rinse it up. Rinse out the pork belly with a little bit of cold water. So we're going to slice two pieces of pork belly. You can take the skin off if you like, or just leave the skin on. So do about 1/8 inch thick. Or thicker if you like. So you can use more pork belly if you like, or less. That's really up to you. Preheat a wok at medium to medium-high heat. We're going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into the wok. Just swirl the oil. I'm using peanut oil, which I find really good. Has good smoking point, high smoking point. We're going to start off with 3 eggs. We'll just beat the eggs with a chopstick. So now we're just going to pour the eggs into the wok. Let the egg sit for about 15 seconds just to form the crusty edge around the outside. Then just swirl the eggs with a chopstick if you like, for fluffy eggs. So let it sit for a bit and then stir. Just a spatula if you like. So cook the eggs about halfway through. Take the eggs off. Drizzle a little more oil into the wok because we're making a restaurant style fried rice. They like to put extra oil, but peanut oil is pretty healthy, so put a little bit extra on there. If you don't want to put any oil, that's fine, because this pork belly is pretty fat, has fat and lean meat, so it's going to give a lot of oil when you fry it. Pork belly, look at that. Nice here. Let it grill a little more, get the fat out. Add some onion. Cut up 1 onion into small pieces. So you need the heat on high to make sure the onions don't absorb a lot of oil. Just want to fry the onions. So here we have about 3 cups of overnight steamed rice. So I put the rice in the fridge overnight. So you get a real nice consistency for fried rice. The rice is nice and dry when it's in the fridge overnight. Put some mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables have nice color. You can also use peas. Most of the restaurants in the old days use peas. So put about 1 cup, maybe 1/2 cup. Also, it gives moisture when you put frozen vegetables in. You don't need to add water to the rice. So now you add some light soy sauce. So Kimlan is a good brand I like. So put about maybe 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Keep in mind, soy sauce has salt, so you might put more or less, that's up to you. So you got the sauté going, so you get the heat on high now. Put the egg back in. You cook the egg about halfway through, so just top up the egg and finish cooking the egg when you stir fry. Top it up with your spatula. I like the natural Himalayan pink salt. So Just chop up the flavors when you add the salt. So this is my favorite sauce. This is Chinese oyster sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle some of the oyster sauce over the fried rice. So far, do you know what the secret ingredient is in the Michelin Star fried rice? If you watch my videos, you know I like oyster flavor sauce. That's one of my favorite sauces. So that's what it is. Michelin Star restaurant uses oyster sauce in their fried rice. When fried rice was about $10 a plate, some restaurants in Hong Kong were charging $50. Now we're going to cook the fried rice like a Michelin Star restaurant. Just put the rice back into the wok, and then we're just going to mix it up. That's Michelin Star fried rice. This is a secret ingredient that I know at least one Chinese restaurant with the Michelin Star. They add the oyster flavor sauce to their fried rice. So there you have it. Pork belly fried rice with the secret ingredient of a Michelin Star restaurant, the oyster flavor sauce. Enjoy. So this is the way I like it. For me, I like to put lots of oyster flavor sauce on top of the rice. You get a big hit of oyster sauce. That's the way I like it. But either way, you'll enjoy this fried rice recipe. Please like, subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments below. How you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe. Just press the button